For the next 5 days, I'm going to be attempting Shopify dropshipping with a $0 budget. The way I'm going to be doing this is by simply posting videos on TikTok. Also, if I can get more than 3 sales during these 5 days, I'm going to be giving away $200. And the main point of this video isn't to show you how good I am at dropshipping. Instead, it's to show you a realistic expectation of what you can get by just posting TikTok videos and seeing if you can get any sales. And I'm a complete beginner myself, so I'm really curious and excited to test this out. Now that you know what's really going on, let's get into the challenge. Okay, so it's day 1. I'm gonna get started. So the very first step we need to do is think or find a good product. So after doing a ton of research, I realized there are 3 main rules when you're trying to find products. The first rule, it needs to be something that you can mark up $20. So the product costs you $20 to buy, make sure you can at least sell it for $40 and make at least $20 for each sale. And then the second rule is the product needs to be something that makes people go wow, or something that people will think will help them. A good example would be like a back brace that will help posture. And then for like a wow product, maybe like a levitating moon lamp. And then the third rule is the shipping needs to be under 30 days. So whatever country you're targeting, make sure when you go to Aliexpress and you choose a shipping thing that it says it's under 30 days. So the easiest way I found to find really good products is actually to follow a bunch of different Instagram meme page accounts. Then you keep checking on them like every 30 minutes or an hour, and eventually you're gonna post an advertisement. And to advertise on big Instagram meme page accounts, like I mean over 1 million followers, it literally costs thousands of dollars. So there's a good chance that that product's gonna work, and then I could probably copy it. After about an hour, I ended up finding 2 products that I think have really good potential. So I found this Instagram post showing off this lightsaber I definitely think I could sell. And also I saw this laser on my For You page the other day and thought I should definitely give it a try. So to find the products, I went to Aliexpress.com and searched for like keywords like laser and lightsaber, and anything I saw in the video, I would try to find like a similar copy of it. So right here I found the lightsaber and the laser with really good shipping times and a pretty good price. So now all I have to do is order the products and wait for them to arrive. The lightsaber and the laser have arrived, and I'm super excited to start filming with them. Before we can start filming and posting these products on TikTok, we need to do something else first. It's day 2, and now it's time to set up the Shopify dropshipping store. The very first thing I need to do is think of a domain name that could work with lightsabers and lasers. So I went to GoDaddy.com and literally searched for hours trying to find a good domain name. I finally found the domain name blastburst.com, and I know it's not perfect, but I think it'll work for the store. Everything was going great until I realized I spent $82.97 on buying the products and the domain name. So I decided to spice up the challenge and introduce something called debt. I know it's cheating, but you kind of need to spend $100 on the store, otherwise you're not going to get any sales. So if you do this yourself, just keep that in mind. Anyways, now it's time to actually make the logo. All I did was open up Photoshop and took me about 30 minutes to do, and it doesn't need to be amazing, so here it is. If you want to make a logo yourself though, all you can do is just go to Canva or any other website and like literally make it for free. You don't need Photoshop to do this. It's actually really easy to do without Photoshop. And now it's time to actually set up and design the store. So it took me around 2 hours to set up the entire store. It wasn't too hard. I just watched a tutorial on my other screen and it really helped. I'll actually link that tutorial down in the description. Alright, so this is how it looks. This is gonna be the home page. And then when you go to full details, it's gonna show you like the full product page. We have the description here and then some reviews here. We did a pretty good job on the store and I think it's gonna do well. And for the lightsaber, I'm actually buying it for $56.70 and selling it for $79.99. So I'm gonna be making $23.29 for every sale for the lightsaber. And then for the laser, it cost me $17.27 to buy. And then I'm selling it for $32.99. So that gives me a profit of $15.75 for every single sale. Now it is finally time to actually start recording some TikToks for these products. So it's actually sick. I'm actually super impressed on like how high quality it is. And the laser is also super high quality and like super cool. I'll throw a video up on screen real quick showing how far I can go in my neighborhood. So first things first, I needed to create the TikTok accounts. And I ended up going with the names Blast Saber and Blast Laser, and then I found these 2 profile pictures and I called it a day. It's day 3 and now it's actually time to start posting some TikToks. So I went outside and I went around my house and got a lot of footage of both the products, and I started editing them in Premiere Pro. You can literally make these and edit these on TikTok or literally any software. I just use Premiere Pro because it's easiest for me. So I actually did like trending music for the sound, so I can't play the sound, but here they are. I think they look really nice, and I think they're gonna do really well. I'll be posting probably 1 more TikTok for each product throughout the day, and then I'll update you guys by the end of the night. So it is the end of day 3, and I'm gonna check the TikTok accounts. Okay, so as you can see, the Blast Laser is actually doing pretty good. We had 539 views on this first one, and then 53 on the second one that I just posted, so this is actually looking really good. And then for the Saber, it's like not nearly as good, but it's honestly not doing bad either. I would have thought these each got like 50 views, but like saying this got almost 200 views and this got 30 is not bad. But I just posted this one, so it could go up a lot. Then if we check the Shopify store, it's actually doing pretty decent too. I mean, 27 views in a day isn't crazy, but saying that's all for free, I'm not upset with the results. And we didn't get any added carts or purchases today, which is fine, but hopefully we can get some tomorrow. It is now day 4, and there's actually a few things I need to tell you guys. The first thing is that PayPal actually got banned a few weeks ago, and I'm not able to accept it as a payment. And the second thing is I actually can't make my TikTok account be a business account, because then I can't use the good trending music, which helps get views. So there's actually no way to get the link in bio, and I need over 1,000 followers in order to like unlock it. So right now I'm just doing like my URL, and I'm hoping people will go to it. So this is definitely gonna like prevent me from getting as many views and sales as I could. So just keep that in mind. If you have a spare TikTok account with 1,000 followers, you might want to try using that and just like rebranding it. Okay, so it's actually the end of day 4. I'm gonna check the TikTok accounts and the Shopify store to see if we got any sales or views. Okay, so this is the Blast Laser TikTok account, and honestly it's doing pretty good. I ended up changing the description to say code TikTok for $5 off to see if that would get anybody else to like go to the store and buy something. And then for the TikToks, they actually did pretty good. We got 640 views on this one, and then 595 on this one. And I actually tried doing some hashtags on these, saying small business for you, FIP, and laser, see if that could get me any more views. And if we go over to the Blast Saber account, for whatever reason, this most recent TikTok did not do good at all. And I actually think it's because it's a duet of a really popular lightsaber video. So it's just not recommending it to anybody. And then this one got 450 views, which is actually crazy for like how it was doing last night. And then I posted another one just a few hours ago and got 118 views, which really isn't that much. Then I did the same thing with the $5 off for code TikTok, and then the same website. And not as good as the laser once again, but honestly not bad. So here we have the store, and it's actually doing pretty okay. 15 views today, which is actually less than yesterday, which is kind of weird because we actually got less views on our TikToks yesterday. And then we had no added carts or anything. So once again, nothing crazy or no sales, but I think tomorrow we actually might have a decently good chance. Okay, so today is day 5, the very last day of the challenge, and I'm excited to see what happened. Okay, so this is the Blast Laser TikTok account, and we managed to get about 4,000 views total in all of our videos, 148 likes and 7 followers, which honestly is not that bad. And it was much easier to actually start getting more views than I thought. I thought I'd be stuck at like 50 or 100, but we got about 4,000 within just a few days. And then for the Blast Saber account, once again, it hasn't done as good as the laser because it's just much harder to make good videos on, but we managed to get about like 2,000 views total in all these videos, 1 follower and 26 likes. So honestly, not that bad, and obviously nothing crazy, but I'm pretty happy with the results, and I think if I keep going, I'll be able to get a viral video and actually blow up these pages. Then for the Shopify store, we got 0 sales today, 10 sessions, 0 added to carts or checkouts. So once again, nothing crazy like the other days. So here are a few things I would do differently next time. So first things first, I think it was a big mistake making this challenge only 5 days long. I feel like you need at least a month in order to actually get a viral video, and then once you can do that, you can just keep repeating it and then get a ton of sales. But I think because I only had 5 days to test a few different videos, it didn't have enough time to actually get good results. And then the second thing is actually not having the link in bio during these 5 days. I think people just don't care enough to actually search up blastburst.com on their computer or phone. It's just too much effort in order to see what I'm selling. And I just wanted to say, if you're on a low budget during your store, I actually highly recommend you try this. I think that if you keep working at this for a good month or so, you're actually going to be able to pull a good amount of views and actually probably get a few sales, especially if you get a viral video. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if I don't get more than 2 sales, I'm going to be giving away $200. So all you need to enter is simply subscribe.